crafters, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a simple table decor, or actually you can hang it on the wall if you like, but it's going to be the letter H. We're going to do this in my favorite color, which is blue. Here you see I have my H laid out on my table that I have not started to decorate, but I am building a base to put my H on. So I'm using some building tower blocks to do that. And I believe I did 2 sets of 12. And here I'm just using the side of my H to make sure that they're all even and straight. And I'm using tacky glue to do this. You can use hot glue, you can use wood glue. I just happen to have tacky glue handy. If this is your first time joining me, thank you. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you'd be notified every time I upload a video. Hit that thumbs up for me. Please, please make sure you share the video. Leave me any comments, any suggestions that you may have. If you are a Goldie but oldie, thank you for hanging in there. Listen, I appreciate all of my subscribers. You guys have made my heart just feel so good, and I really, really appreciate it. However, don't forget to share the video. Give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments that you might have. Any suggestions. Not a pro crafter, but if you have anything that you would like to see me try and recreate, please leave it in the comments down below and I'll get back with you. Now here I'm just continuing to put my blocks together, and I'm not going to talk to the entire video. I'm just going to let you watch as I do this.
Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain.
Here I'm just taking some masking tape and putting across my blocks just to hold them together until they're tightly sealed. You know, I enjoyed decorating this H. It turned out to be a little bit more of a challenge than I had planned, but I think when you see the final product, at least I like the end product, and I hope that you will too. So I'm just going to let you continue to watch the video here. I'm just putting a layer of Mod Podge on it so I can start putting my glitter on. So I'm going to let you continue to watch this as I progress.
My appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Okay, here I thought I recorded me painting my base, although I just painted it blue. I sealed my H, the glitter on my H with the Mod Podge adhesive spray, and now I'm just getting ready to attach it to my base. I'm using a permanent adhesive, and I'm going to use hot glue. I believe this is E6000 that I'm using on here, and I'm going to put some hot glue on here to seal it. And please excuse my angle, I kind of got out of the angle of the camera there.
By